Welcome back to CSC Learner YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the Tailwind CSS. So how to use Tailwind CSS with the Angular application. So you can Google Tailwind CSS. Okay, this is the official page which Tailwind CSS has. So most popularly this CSS is used with React. So popularly now React as a front-end library, it has been so popularly used by people. So along with that, people are starting to use Tailwind CSS because instead of other CSS like Bootstrap, which we use, okay, commonly, Tailwind CSS has much more very good look and feel. So that is why Tailwind CSS they are using. And some of the snippets here which you have to use in Tailwind CSS are paid also. Okay, for that you have to pay and then you have to get the code. Unlike Bootstrap, in Bootstrap we used to get the code, right? But in Tailwind CSS we have the free and the paid version as well. Now once you are into this site, click get started. So you can see the you have so much of docs components like that. So under components, so you have so much of components here. Okay, so slider dashboard, if I want to use some page headings, okay, calendars, like that, have so much of things. Okay, so few these symbol, no, logged symbol, so these are for paid. Okay, remaining others are free only. So let me quickly show some of the free course thing. So here it is sign in and register. Okay, some of the forms I will show. So this is the preview. Okay, here you can give your thing, right? And here the same thing. Okay, another example is with the dark mode itself. And here we have other few examples. Here we have a split screen. So here you have the sign in and here you have the some beautiful image, right? And you have the other options as well. Okay, so like this, these many examples are given. So here is the code. So you can copy this code and paste it in your uh, HTML file and you can use it as well. So this class which they are given, right? PX6, PY12. So these are the patterns, okay, the classes which we have in Tailwind CSS. Okay, so how to use it in our Angular we will see. So for that we have to first create an Angular application. So let me create a folder and name it as Tailwind CSS. Okay, open that. So open the in command prompt. Okay, cmd and type enter, which will open me in command prompt. Now you give how to start create a new Angular application, ng new the file name. So I will give Tailwind CSS. So it will install the packages for me. Okay, so Tailwind CSS, we are going to use it with our Angular application. So would you like to add Angular routing? Give yes, and we can select any of this. So let me give CSS itself, so it will install it for me. Meanwhile, here in this page, okay, we have this thing, okay, framework guides. Click that. Now you have n number of frameworks. Okay, these are the frameworks which we are using. So framework specific guides that cover a recommend approach to installing Tailwind CSS is a number of popular environments. So like Next.js, okay, React, okay, Laravel, okay, Ruby on Rails, okay, Meteor. So this is for React. Okay, now we have this Angular. Okay, so click that. So this have been given a clear cut step by step guide. Okay, how to install it in your Angular application. So first we should open our terminal. Okay, after creating our new Angular project, we have to open the terminal and give this command. Okay, we have already created the project, right? Now we have to copy this one, npm install -d tailwind css post css auto prefixer. Just copy it and let me see if it has been installed. Yes, it is still installing. Let's wait for some time. So meanwhile, let's see the documentation as well. Okay, so this is how, okay, if you want to learn more on Tailwind CSS, you can read this documentation. Okay, this is the official documentation they have provided, they are given. And in the components, okay, there are really some beautiful components as well. For example, the stacked list, as well as, okay, yeah, see this product list. So this is some stacked list. See, it shows many of the things, right? This is a preview. Okay, some list, and this is some product. Okay, we can use it in a grid view, right? We have each one product, and however, when I hover the mouse over the particular product, it gets changed. Okay, so these are really uh, good, amazing CSS. Okay, so it has been installed. Let me move to that project. CD change directory Tailwind CSS, and let me open it in my VS Code. Sorry, I have given code comma code space dot. So this will open me in the VS Code. Now in VS Code, sorry. So in VS Code, you can see the Tailwind CSS under source, under app. Okay, if you want, you can run it real quickly. So let me open the terminal and give ng serve dash o. It will open me in the localhost 4200. Meanwhile, I have copied from here, right? To here, yes. I would copy this npm install dash the tailwind css post css auto prefixer, right? This command, let me paste it in this. Let us give enter. So let it install some of the packages. Here it is asking for the analytics. Okay, give yes. So it will be running in the port. So once this is done, okay, you have the next line, right? Npx tailwind css init. Okay, copy it and give it enter. Okay, this has been created. Now what else? So we have to copy this inside content. Okay, we have this line, right? Okay, copy it, and we have to paste it in this file tailwindconfig.css, tailwind.config.js. Okay, here we have to paste that. So it is opening in localhost 4200. Yes, it is, app is up and running. Okay, so yes, okay, content. Okay, let me save it as well, and then just copy these three lines. Okay, tailwind base components utilities. Okay, you have to paste it in styles.css. Okay, here it is pasted. It will show some warning, that's nothing. Okay, so in your app, okay, for example, okay, let me have a button. Okay, and I can given some class, and the class may be margin left, okay, sum2, okay. Yes, or else I can give this as well. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so let's see what it shows actually. Here it is a button, okay, or else let me have this h1 tag itself, okay. Let me remove this, okay. Yes, I have this, okay. Margin left, the button is not that good. Margin left 500 and some color I can give, okay. BG slate gray, okay. So how to give color, that also you can search. um, Button color and Tailwind CSS, okay. So BG blue 500, okay, that's what I was searching for. You can just give BG blue 500. So it is not showing me, intelligence, right? You have one extension called open extensions, okay. Here you have extensions, type Tailwind CSS intelligence, okay. Tailwind, yes, Tailwind CSS. See this first one, see 3 million people have downloaded, okay. Open it, just give install. So once it has been installed, you can get this autocomplete options, okay. Okay, now I have it over here, right? Now let me type here BG, okay, blue. See, I'm getting the options here. So let me give this color 500, save. I think the size has to be mentioned, okay. So let me copy this itself, okay. Copy, let me remove this ml 500 and let me paste that. Why it is not coming? Okay, yes. So here I have another one component. So this is some utility. Now I have another one component. So I have to use this class, okay, btn, and I have to apply it over here. So whenever I call btn, this will be applicable. This CSS property will be applicable. Whenever I call btn blue, okay, button blue, this CSS property will be applicable. So let me copy this as well, okay, and paste it here. And also, okay, these lines, okay, these lines I don't want to keep under inside the style tag. Instead what I will do is just copy it. Instead what you have to do is, already we have the style.css, right? Here you can paste it, okay. See, now I have this button, okay. Okay, or else you can give it there itself. Let's see that also, okay. Okay, yes, you have the same button. So this is how you have to use the Tailwind CSS. So you can use this particular site, okay, tailwindelements.com. Okay, you have so many various other examples as well. Okay, buttons, cards, okay, same things which we have in the material UI. So thanks. Let's see in another big huge video. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.